Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Square account step by step. So this is helpful if you want to use Square to manage payments, add products or services, and keep your sales information in one place. So to begin, open up your browser and go to the official Square website. So from the main page, click Get Started. So this will take you to the account creation page. So enter an email address that you can access, then create a secure password. After that, check the local or country setting and make sure it matches where you will use your Square account. So once everything looks correct, agree to the Square's terms, privacy policy, and consent, then click Create Account. So after creating the account, Square will ask for business details like your business name, business type, address, and what your business does. So fill everything in carefully and choose the option that fits best for you. Next, complete the identity check, then connect your bank account so that Square knows where to send your payouts. After that, open your Square dashboard or the Square point of sale app. Add your products or services, set prices, add taxes if needed, and adjust your receipt settings. So once your bank account is verified, your Square account is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.